So we are still on the journey of low properties that are below 150 million naira, and you can see that this is a communal compound. Okay, we have here 3-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, and we have 4-bedroom fully detached duplex. I'll show you two of them, but now this particular space now is the entrance to the whole building. So this one is the gatehouse, okay, and this is the generator and the space, okay, and this is the changeover areas here for the terrace duplex and semi-detached duplex. So we have 3-bedroom terrace duplex is about 4 units. You can see the compound, okay, here the space. Then over there, that gate is the gate that leads to the fully detached duplex. So let me walk you around. So each unit, you can see this is the unit for the terrace. You can see you have a parking space where you can park one car. Then the compound still have a space there where you can put your extra car. Okay, so this is it. So these ones are the semi-detached, and this one is the terrace duplex. But the beauty of the terrace duplex that is remaining is the corner piece unit. Okay, so that is it. So look at it here. This is the corner piece unit that is remaining. And the beauty of corner piece, guys, is that the person that is buying here owns this place to himself. So let me show you. So this, you have this place to yourself. Okay, that's the beauty of the corner piece. So you can see. So this is an open. So that place, you see, all this place now is the person that has corner piece that has advantage of owning the place. And this is the kitchen exit. So if someone is in the kitchen, you can actually walk from the back and enter. Okay. So this is the BQ. So guys, this is the BQ. So each unit has a BQ. You can see your workers or whoever, your nanny, can stay here. Okay, and this is the bedroom for the BQ. You can see this is lovely. The shower, then this is your WC and the water treatment. Okay, so this is beautiful. This is lovely, guys. So, and it's selling for 75 million naira. Okay, and it's the last unit that is remaining. Okay, and the car space comes with the CCTV camera over there. I see the CCTV camera, and you can have a car space here, a single car space, and there's also space there where you can park more of your car. Then you still have this tap here. Okay, so you are going in right now. Then this is the door, guys. You're welcome to the living room area of this house, you can see. So this is the living room area. Let me give you the overview. And it has a single window here. Then the chandelier lights, the POP design. It has an inbuilt speaker here. Then this is the CCTV camera here. This is the spot for your television here. Okay. So here also is the visitor's toilet. The visitor's toilet. This is your shambezi. This is the dining area. Use this place as your dining area, guys. Okay. Then this is the living room proper. Then it has a sound system. This is the control for the sound. Here. Okay, so let's proceed to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. So we have this kitchen island here. The POP, the kitchen, this is the chandelier light for the kitchen. And this is the POP design, the inbuilt light. Then it has an inbuilt speaker here. This is the store. So you keep your rice, your things. the oil, you know. So the kitchen has microwave and oven here. We'll have a burner, heat extractor. I'll have a CCTV camera over there, your sink, and the space for your washing machine here. Okay? Then this is also the control for the sound for the kitchen. Okay? So guys, let's proceed. So we're going upstairs, right? So don't forget that this is Kelechi of Kechmeb Properties Limited, a real estate consulting firm that is based here in Lagos, that is making sure that you have real estate investments that are free from any form of government encumbrance and peace of mind. So we have these lights here as well that are coming up. And this is your family lounge. So this is the family lounge. So you can use it as also as your gym space. Okay, we'll have a space for your television here. Okay. So this is the second room. So this is the first room because it's a 3-bedroom duplex. So this is the first room. So the 3 beds are all upstairs here. So we have this room. I have 2 windows here. 1, 2 windows for cross ventilation. And this is the space for your television over there. And this is the wardrobe. This is the wardrobe, guys. And this is the bedroom. This is your WC, the washhand basin, the mirror, the shower, guys. Let the water in that space over there. This is beautiful. Selling for 75 million. So this is the second room. This is the second room. So it has a single window here. Then this is the space for your television. This is the wardrobe. Okay. So this is the bedroom. This is your WC. Washhand basin. This is the mirror. The shower. That is space for the washing and the water heater. So let's proceed to the last room. So this is the master bedroom. So this is the overview. So this is the overview. So this is the POP design and the inbuilt lights and the speaker. Okay. We have the double window here. 1, 2 windows for cross ventilation here. And this is the space for the television here. For this particular room, right? In the back corner. So it's a corner piece. So this is the compound. Okay. This is lovely. And guys, this is the walk-in closet. So this is the closet here. And this is the bedroom. So we have washhand basin here, the WC, the mirror, the shower, then the water enter space here. So let me know what your thought is, guys, concerning this 3-bedroom duplex, this 3-bedroom terrace duplex here in Ajah of Lagos. It has a a DQ, so invariably it's 4 bed because it has a DQ. Okay, then it's a communal living, you can see, and it's selling for 75 million naira, guys. So give Kelechi a call on the number that is on your screen so that I can bring you here for site inspection and closing of deal. So if you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe. Don't just subscribe, like, then share this video as well so that those people who are looking for a property that is below 100 million can take advantage of this 3-bedroom and also be in, please. Okay, then our returning subscribers, we say kudos to you guys. So keep watching and keep sharing, guys, till we come your way again. Thank you.